Hi friends, I'm Guru from Trio's Kitchen. This is my first video in this YouTube channel. Please give your support. Please subscribe this channel. Today we're going to see how to make paneer gravy. Let's see the ingredients now. We have to take paneer and we have to cut it in cube size. Next we have to I'll show the ingredients. You can see, I think so. Okay, I have taken two big onions and chopped nicely, and curry leaves, ginger, red chilies, and garlic, and dry seeds which I have taken are okay. Let's see the dry seeds. This is black pepper. I have taken black pepper, coriander seeds, and cloves, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds. Okay, first we have to dry roast the red chilies. Okay, let's dry roast the red chilies. I'm roasting the red chilies. Let it be brown. Please be caution if children are trying it, because paneer is an easy dish which even children can do it. So please be careful. Please comment this video. Okay, can you see the color? In this color we have to switch off the gas. Okay, now we are going to transfer these red chilies to the mixie jar. I have transferred it to the mixie jar. Let's keep it aside, and then we have to dry roast all these dry ingredients. I'm just dry roasting it. It's an amazing dish. Please try it and please comment this video. This is my first video. You can able to see the color. When this smell is coming, we have to switch off. After this, we have to transfer this to the mixie jar. Now let's transfer it. I have transferred it to the jar. Okay, let's keep it aside. Then now we are going to fry the paneer with ghee, because now immediately we can't grind it because it's so hot. So let it be dry. Let's start. I'm going to fry the paneer now. going to I'm going to add 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of ghee. I love ghee so much, but we should not add too much to our body. I'm adding 3 spoons or 3.5 spoons of ghee in the pan. Let it melt first. Now I'm going to place the paneer inside. Please be careful. I'm going to fry it. Let's see after frying it. We have just fried the paneer. Next we have to grind the dry ingredients. Now let's off the stove, and let's while grinding this, an easy trick I'll just say. Before grinding it, we have to add some garlic in it, ginger. That's it. You have to grind it very well, and also an important thing, we have to add a little bit of salt in it. Okay, let's grind it in an paste manner. Okay, I'll show you how to grind in an paste. I'll just grind it in an paste. We can even add some water in it, and let's grind it. See, I think you can see it, friends. I have just grind it as a paste. Okay, let's start the process now. Main process, let's go into it. We can even use the same ghee for doing this gravy. I'm just switching on the gas and let it get heated. Okay friends, now I'm adding uh, onion in it. I'll just add it. and we have to sort it very well. You have to switch it off when the onion is in transparent color. I let you an easy trick. We have to add a pinch of salt so that the onion will sort out so well and easily and fastly. Now I'm doing it. Okay, let's pause the video. I'll then show you after sorting. Now it's done. It's have sort out so well. Now I'm going to add the paste, grinded paste, friends, in this. I'm adding it in, and I'm just mixing it. I think it's so tasty. I'll just add some water so that it will be somewhat gravy. Yeah, it's so tasty. Okay, let's see. The consistency should be like this, and after the gravy and ghee separates, we have to put the paneer inside and mix, and that's all. That's so easy step. Okay, let's see after its separation. Now is the main and secret ingredient. I have just revealed it. Okay, I'm going to say you once again. Now we have to add 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of curd in it. It is a secret ingredient too. 3 tablespoons we have to add in it so that the taste will be so nice. 3 or 4. And the main ingredient, half a spoon of palm sugar or jaggery in it, and we have to mix it. This is the secret ingredient too, which my mom revealed today only. It will be so tasty, friends. If you try it, please try it and say it in comment. This is the stage when we have to put paneer in it. You can see, I think so. Well, let's wait. The steam gets scattered. The gravy and the ghee should be separated. In that time, we have to just add the paneer inside. I'm just adding it. That's it. Let's mix it. That's so tasty and yummy. That's it, friends. This is the recipe. This is so easy and tasty recipe. Let's you to try. I'm just adding some curry leaves on it. That's it. It's so amazing. I'll just show you at last. Wait a minute. Friends, that's it. This is my gravy, and I'm going to taste it now. Let's taste it. Yeah, it's too tasty, and I have transferred it to an banyan leaf so that the poisonous, harmful dishes will be removed from it. It will be so. It is an easiest method for making paneer gravy. So please try it. Please like this video, share this video, comment this video, and give some ideas and some recipes or dishes to cook. I'll just make it. Okay, friends, we'll meet in next cooking video. Okay, thank you. Please give your support. This is my first video, so please give your support.